I'm Scott Cousins, editor of the Frankfort Times, and these are some of the stories you will see in Monday's paper. Designed as a forum for two-way communication between the Frankfort Police Department and the city's Hispanic community, a bilingual Q&A session was held Saturday morning. Nearly 36 attended the event at Primera Iglesia Bautista in Frankfort, where Police Chief Troy Bacon answered questions about specific laws and enforcement procedures, as well as more general inquiries into law enforcement as a profession and as a service to all members of the local community. Patrons scanned through thousands of books Saturday morning at the annual Friends of the Library book sale at the Frankfort Community Public Library. Saturday was the first day of the public sale, which concludes today, or Monday, at 8 p.m. On Thursday, members of the Clinton County Farm Bureau got together to celebrate Ag Day and hear about the importance of leadership. Clinton Prairie graduate Phil Anderson was the speaker. Anderson is, quote, Chief Rethinker for Rethink, a leadership development, cultural tourism, and strategic planning company. He said 2 common questions people ask about leadership are what it is or how to do it. According to Anderson, those are the wrong questions. And finally, when Clinton County students come back from spring break, one group will be able to tell stories about how they got to visit the Vatican. 9 students and 5 adults from Clinton Prairie Junior-Senior High School are spending a week in Italy for spring break. For more, buy a copy of Monday's Frankfort Times or visit ftimes.com. Again, I am Scott Cousins, and thank you.